In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix D3dx9 underscore 39.dll on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and simply open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter, click on the first option, scroll down and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, it will appear from here. Click on the folder icon. Then you have to make a right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy, then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, then right click and then select paste, click on replace the file in the destination. Then after doing so, restart your Windows. Next method, open a browser. Search for Visual C++ or Distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click the button right here. Okay? That will download and install the necessary files that your machine needs. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.